If your car engine sounds like a ticking time bomb, literally, those noisy lifters can drive you crazy. But don't worry. In this video, we're reviewing the best oil additives for noisy lifters in 2025. That can bring peace back to your ride. We've carefully researched and selected the top 5 oil additives based on performance, compatibility, reliability, and real customer feedback. All the product links are listed in the description below. So if you're ready to restore your engine smoothness, let's jump right in. Number 1, Engine Wizard, engine oil, additive and engine treatment. If you're looking for a quick and powerful fix, the Engine Wizard engine oil additive might just be your new best friend. This product is known for solving oil leaks fast, often within just 30 miles of driving. It also helps eliminate blue smoke and oil burning issues almost instantly. That's a big win for anyone tired of constantly topping off oil. What makes Engine Wizard stand out is its universal compatibility. It works with 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and even 10-cylinder engines across all types of vehicles. Just pour it into your engine oil, and it starts working to reduce friction, seal minor leaks, and quiet noisy lifters. It's a small bottle with a big punch, simple to use and highly effective for restoring your engine's smooth and quiet operation. Number 2, Marvel Mystery Oil Original Motor Treatment. This one's a true classic. Marvel Mystery Oil has been trusted by car owners for decades. It's a multi-purpose oil additive that cleans, maintains, and protects engines when added to both fuel and oil. Compatible with gasoline, diesel, 2-cycle, and 4-cycle engines, this additive is perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and even lawn equipment. Marvel Mystery Oil not only helps quiet down noisy lifters, but it also restores lost horsepower and fuel efficiency. It keeps your fuel system clean, prevents corrosion, and even helps with cold starts after long storage periods. If you want an additive that offers all-around engine protection and long-term benefits, this tried and true formula is a solid pick. Number 3, Rislone Maximum Performance Engine Treatment. When it comes to tackling noisy lifters specifically, Rislone Maximum Performance Engine Treatment is one of the most effective options out there. This product is engineered to reduce friction, wear, and sludge buildup, all of which are common culprits behind those irritating ticking sounds. Its Extreme Lube formula penetrates deep into engine components like bearing surfaces, piston rings, and ring grooves, gradually removing sludge and varnish that cause sticky valves and lifters. Regular use keeps your engine clean, quiet, and smooth, while also preventing future noise from returning. Made in the USA and safe for all vehicles, Rislone is the go-to solution if your main goal is to silence noisy lifters and restore proper lubrication. Number 4, Marvel Mystery Oil, pack of 6. Next up, we have the Marvel Mystery Oil 6-pack, a perfect option for those who want to maintain multiple vehicles or ensure they never run out. This formula lubricates the entire fuel system, including fuel pumps, injectors, carburetors, and the top of the cylinders, helping reduce internal friction throughout your engine. By improving lubrication, it extends the life of vital components and boosts fuel mileage. One thing to note, this version isn't compliant with low sulfur diesel regulations for 2007 and newer models, so it's better suited for gasoline or older diesel engines. If you're looking for a cost-effective bulk pack of a trusted brand that enhances both fuel and oil performance, this Marvel Mystery Oil Bundle is a smart buy. Number 5, Liqui-Moly Hydraulic Lifter Additive. Finally, we have the Liqui-Moly Hydraulic Lifter Additive, a favorite among European car owners and professionals alike. This additive works by cleaning valve bores and improving oil lubrication, which directly targets the root cause of lifter noise. It's suitable for turbocharged engines and vehicles with catalytic converters, making it one of the most versatile and engine-safe products available. within a few hundred miles of use, you'll notice smoother engine operation and significantly reduced tapping noises. If you want a German-engineered additive that's trusted worldwide for precision and performance, Liqui-Moly is definitely worth your attention. And there you have it, the top 5 best oil additives for noisy lifters in 2025. Whether you want a fast fix like Engine Wizard, a proven classic like Marvel Mystery Oil, or a professional grade solution like Liqui-Moly, there's an option here for every vehicle and budget. All product links are listed in the description below, so make sure to check them out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming reviews and car care tips. Thanks for watching, and may your engine stay smooth and silent.